Hey there viewers, the BankInsider here. Welcome to this easy to follow tutorial on how to get a stamped bank statement from the Standard Bank app.
If you're new to our channel, this is your go-to place for insider tips on using fintech applications in South Africa. Handing over to you now, Juniper.
Thank you, sir. But before we dive into the video, make sure you've installed the latest version of the Standard Bank app on your smartphone. All right, let's get started. 1. After logging into the Standard Bank app, select the account you need a stamped bank statement from. Next, tap on the arrow next to Cards at the top right corner. 3. Then, select Details at the top right corner. 4. Scroll down and choose Your Documents. 5. Now select whether you want a 3-month or 6-month statement. 6. Finally, choose View and Save to download your stamped statement. And there you have it. Your official bank statement will appear on your screen, complete with a stamp from Standard Bank for authenticity. Simple and fast.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe for more user-friendly guides. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of our next video. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, this is the BankInsider signing off.